word we'll be learning in this section is 食欲, which you will often hear in discussions about food, health, and daily routines. The word 食欲 means the desire or appetite to eat. It can also refer to how much someone wants to eat at any given time and can be influenced by various factors like mood and health. The first kanji means to eat or meal. It shows up in words like 食事, which means a meal, and emphasizes the idea of eating together, and in 食べる, which means to eat and marks the action itself. The second kanji means desire or want. You see it in 欲しい, which means to want something, and in 欲望, which expresses a stronger craving or desire. I have an appetite. 食欲があります。食欲があります。I have no appetite today. 今日は食欲がない。今日は食欲がない。I have no appetite at all today. 今日は食欲が全くない。今日は食欲が全くない。Seeing delicious food makes me feel hungry. おいしい料理を見て食欲が湧く。おいしい料理を見て食欲が湧く。The most common synonym of the word 食欲 is 食欲旺盛. It implies having a high or vigorous appetite, often with a strong desire to eat. The most common antonym of the word 食欲 is 無欲. It indicates a lack of desire or appetite, suggesting a state of having no interest in eating.